Looking for a specific font in CapCut to use in your project? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to search for fonts in the CapCut app. Now let's get started. To search for fonts in CapCut, open the project you're working on in the CapCut app. Then tap Text at the bottom. Open one of your existing text overlays, or tap Add Text to create a new one. Tap Fonts. Then tap the magnifying glass icon to open the search tool. Type in the name of a specific font, or a font style you're looking for, such as script or serif. Then tap Search. Check out the search results to find the font that matches what you're looking for, and tap the font name to apply it to your text overlay. That's all it takes to search for fonts in the CapCut app. Want to add custom fonts to CapCut? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.